Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with Delta variant. Friends, the last closing hours before the news went into out, like Maharashtra going to curb their levels. They are keeping like 5 levels, right? They are taking like few levels, like closing malls and closing cinema halls, etc. They are keeping these restrictions again, and only they are allowing few levels open, like 3 levels, and going further they are giving strict rules about COVID related precautions. And next thing is like Madhya Pradesh also seen some Delta plus variant. This is the new variant, friends, which is occurring across the country. Like seven states I think reported this Delta variant case, and few countries, few states mentioned like death cases also. And already UK is struggling with this variant, and its time came to like India. And friends, still they are unlock phase going on in country, few states, but with this uh, COVID variant, we are seeing further more cases. And if you observe here, after reaching the Nifty levels like 15,600 above, and from there onwards it went up and up, and reached 15,770 levels. And after that, one short fall happened, and again from there it again reached to new highs like 15,880, and cannot sustain there, and again fall to 15,000 like 600 levels, and again moved from there 15,600 to, and even it falls below like 15,600 to 15,500, and again sustained at the same day. But again it didn't going to cross that 15,886 line, and again came back. And friends, why today we are seeing this means, friends, we are expecting like again the shooting star, like it's like a hammer, but it's not an inverted hammer. Some bullishness is there, but still the news which came last 15 minutes shows some selling pressure. We are going to see that also. But I am expecting the shortfall happened in the Nifty on Friday session, because it didn't touch the 15,500 and 15,880 above. It went up to like 15,870s, and after that it continuously falls from that level to 15,840s, I think it closes. If you observe here, this is the candlesticks, and the first two rejections happened at 15,775 earlier starting Friday session. And after that, after this rejection, the Nifty moves upward direction continuously. And if you observe here, the last 15 minutes, two candles, present it is at 5 candles. First it reached like 15,876, that range, 70 65, that range, and it cannot cross that resistance line multiple times on Friday. So like without that news, maybe it will cross the line, and we can expect a further up move, because it sustained about 15,800 on Friday session. But after that sharp sell off for 15 minutes which happened on Nifty, indicating again a downfall, friends. That is what I mean it. But we have to see how markets will open on Monday. But friends, due to Delta variant, there is concerns are there, and few lockdowns or few things will continue as it is, to vaccinate and to increase vaccination programs. So see here, Maharashtra imposes stricter uniform and other laws, and 21 Maharashtra, and 4 Madhya Pradesh and 3 cases in Kerala. It's spreading also very quickly, and who taken vaccine also, it's not a issue for Delta plus variant, I think, and it is attacking them also. But the best part is who vaccinated, they have chance of good recovery, but who didn't vaccinated, there is less chance of recovery from the virus. So this is my view, and friends, we hope the Nifty will sustain above levels, but my view is from here, with the news related things, I am somewhat bearish, friends. But friends, still not a 1,000 points, 500 points fall. I didn't expect that much, but still I hope there will be some chance of bearishness in the Nifty on Monday session. So this is my view on Nifty, and friends, if you like our video.